which one you want to follow.
Well, that's crazy because there's natural talent, and then there is talent that you can gain through whatever through doing something, right? You can you can learn to be good at something, right? But I don't know, man. I think you're the right person to be. Again, you have to enjoy it. That's number one, right? And that's really what I meant. Like if you really enjoy it, you're gonna excel at it, even if you suck at it. Like I think I suck at everything that I do, but the things that I really like doing, then I get good enough to pass or whatever. You know what I mean? Like, and you know, I obsess about it so long that then I'm like maybe above average or whatever in what I'm doing. You know, but it took a ton of work, and it doesn't seem like that from this way because you're like, oh, you're just naturally talented and doing this one thing, started a business and making money or putting up a YouTube channel. And I'm like, no, you don't understand. I had to like really work really hard at this thing. You know what I mean? Like,
no, it's definitely a lot of hard work. Like I do really enjoy making the videos. That's why I started in like my own channel, because on Slidebean I can't and I should be talking stuff that eventually connects to the product, right? But sometimes I want to make a video on, I don't know, I wanted to make a video on COVID, which is one of my favorites. I did a video on
yes.
on losing my accent, these aren't topics. I want to do a video on how to get into the Oscars. I'm working on that script. This is not content for Slidebean. It's
but
I mean,
but
irrelevant, right? So I have my channel for that.
But not if it's getting views on your channel, right? Again, like, look, I got to your Slidebean company through one of these videos that had nothing to do with that. It was related because it's about a startup that went south or something, right? But had I watched a thing about losing your accent and then somehow been like, wait, I think it's loosely based connection, I think, right? But eyeballs on a content, popularity, like if you become, the more popular you become on YouTube for whatever videos, then the better spokesperson you are for that company. But
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Right?
The question is, like, I absolutely like, I want to keep these separate, right? Like, as a startup founder, my ideal, like, winning for this is Slidebean gets acquired. That's critical, right? So to me, there needed to be a clear separation between, hey, this is Slidebean content, I'm happy to host. This is my channel. If you buy Slidebean, this is not included. This is my channel. I'm gonna keep working on it. So, and also, like, of course, I shouldn't use kind of Slidebean resources or time for this. Like, this is my free time thing that I get ads from my channel, and I'm not giving that money to Slidebean. They're my ads. It's not that much price, like $100 a month, but
it's hard to make good money in ads. Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah.
But it's you know, I like to keep that separation between the two.